the honors and open the first one.
So Transformers are one of my favorite toys ever. I love the series, the toys that made us. I really like the Transformers one. This is fun. It's like a little plastic treasure chest. Okay. So it looks like we have 4 Hershey Kisses. Those are going to be the standard silver Hershey Kisses. And I have...
We'll just put those on Shannon's side.
Yeah. Let's see if I can open it up. I have Optimus Prime. I am Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. We are here to defend the Hershey Kisses from the evil Decepticons.
He's one of the best Transformers.
So he is cool. He is an awesome figure. So this is a small figure. This is only maybe an inch tall, inch and a half tall.
Yeah, a little bit taller.
There's a lot of detail in it, but it's tough to see. So that's neat. That's a cool figure.
It is cool.
It's a good size. Very small Optimus Prime. All right, there's the 5 Transformers from the Kisses Treasure Surprise.
Good job getting all 5, Paul.
It's amazing.
I'm impressed.
I am too. Okay, I'm impressed with the quality of the figures. The size is small, but the detail is really neat. And you immediately know who these characters are.
And you can immediately see their size now that there's a Hershey Kiss there for reference.
That's true.
So if you want to know how big they are, they're 1.5 Hershey Kisses tall.
There you go. Okay, Shannon, let's pick a favorite character and a favorite Hershey Kiss.
Okay. My favorite character, I'm going to go with Optimus Prime.
Okay.
The leader of them all.
Optimus.
And I'm going with this bag of Hershey Kisses right here.
Okay.
That one's the best.
That's a good one. All right, I'm going to pick... This is tough. I'm going with Megatron as my favorite. I love those purple, like dark blue purplish boots that he has. That's my favorite figure.
You just like him because he's in a heavy metal band.
I do. My favorite Hershey Kiss is going to be...
Which one?
It's going to be this bag, this
That
second
one?
one in right there.
Okay.
How about you guys? Which one of these did you like the best? Leave a comment down below. Let us know. Leave the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit the share button and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. That'll make you part of the PS Toy Reviews crew where you can never have enough duplicate Hershey Kisses. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.